We just deployed at a co-packer south of Chicago, and they said, hey, we really want to put this in, but we have 3 contracts running right now, and they're all taking up a portion of their 2-shift operation. But we have it's vastly different product. It's really different. Now, it's all coming off of a poucher, right? And so everything's going to fill in the pouch, but what's in the pouch really matters. So the density of the product in there is very different. And so that changes how you pack into that RSC case. But we were able to provide 3 different complete change-out end of arm tools for that case packer. It can all be swapped over in 5 minutes. They're all over here on this. It's like a trolley. It sits next to the case packer. And so, our customer is able to take that trolley, wheel it over to the case packer, and change out that head and run a completely different product in 5 or 10 minutes.